Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is none other than one stock I want to talk to you about. One stock that got so many bad news months ago, with earnings coming in very soon, guys, sooner than expected. Earnings is going to release at the end of this month. I think it's the 23rd, but I will definitely keep you updated where that is concerned. The top stock on the whole market, on the US market today, this is the number one stock that everyone is talking about, with a 15.79% upwards, guys. Is it time to buy this stock? Earnings is about to release on the 23rd of this month. I think I'm going to go over that in a few minutes. But before we do so, welcome to the channel. I'm Damani. I do stock, I do investment, I do long term, I do short term. But I'm asking you, please like, subscribe. If you think I earn your time, I earn your thumbs up, please go ahead and smash that like button. But if you do think I earn your time, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this channel together. Let's share this channel, let everyone know what's going on here, and how can we pick the right stock that we can invest in for a long-term goal. So Supermicro Computer recently, guys, got a lot of bad news. As you can see, for the last 6 months, the stock has been down. The stock was trading high. The stock was trading above $90 a share. So much bad news. They missed earnings, financial difficulty. They didn't file on time. They're 10K, I think. And then I'll get you all the necessary information where that is concerned. But I'm just telling you on the top of my head what I remember. And also numerous downgrades. The DOJ is looking into the company. All these nonsense, guys, cause the stock to go down because of the short sellers, and they make tremendous profit while the stock was burning. Can you imagine trading at $9 all the way down to $39, $38 a share? And now the stock reported today that over 100,000 AI GPU per quarter was sold, guys. And with this good news, again, earnings is coming out. So ask yourself, is this something you want to hold into earnings? Is the company going to meet expectation? Guys, 15% in one day, it's a lot. That's a lot. The stock opened at $41.33. So if you had got in today when the stock opened, you would have made tremendous money on your return today. Supermicro Computer surged 13% of their strong shipment data. If the company is telling you this is what they ship, guys, so what's the come for earnings? Meaning that there's still strong demand for the business, for the company. But this is one stock I will be watching. I have a lot of shares, and unfortunately I sold this morning. And after I sold it, and all this news came in, and of course I missed out on a lot. I missed out on at least $6,000 profit. But let me get right over. I want to break down Supermicro Computer in depth. So earnings is coming out on the 29th, as you can see on my screen. The stock is going to report aftermarket as usual, aftermarket central time. Again, stock got bad news, sold off, pushed up, consolidated, and we bettered with great news today, guys. Look what happened. The stock pushed up. We're still not overbought yet, and we're still not overbought on the RSI or the MACD. So therefore, it's telling us that there is a lot of room to push up. So the stock make a new high, previously pushed up and got rejected at previous resistance. This is something to watch out for, guys. Again, the stock was trading at $48.48 previously. This was on September 26th. On September 26th, the stock at 11:47 a.m. The stock start at 48, end at 48, and look, sold off all the way down to $37. Pushed back up, consolidated, sold off, and with great news, pushed back up. So my plan for this stock is what I'm gonna do coming week. If market is red, I'm gonna short it. You know why? Because news was released and the stock reacted to the news. So therefore, if market is down, the stock is going to be down. But for the long term, I'm going to buy some shares until the 29th of this month. So tomorrow, my plan is I'm going to see where the stock is trading and buy some, because normally it dips. And with that short selling, I'm going to close out my short position and then continue to ride the stock on the upward side when it shows signs of any consolidation. Because if we got a big push like this, guys, with news and it didn't stay strong, what most likely what's going to happen, we're going to have some correction. The stock is going to pull back, correct itself, and then continues to trade upwards. Let me show you why this is my plan and why I decided to do that. So when MU reported better than expected earnings, what happened? Again, previous resistance on this MU formed this resistance on the 7th. This was July 31st at 11:27 a.m. MU pushed up, got rejected, sold off, found support. Again, found support, guys, pushed up, got rejected, found same support where it was trading at, found support, and then earnings came up better than expected. Look what happened. MU pushed all the way up, got rejected, even past previous resistance, got rejected. Why? Because the stock over went into an overbought area. Once the stock is into an overbought area right here on our RSI, what happens? It pulled back and then find support. So what it did, pushed up, got rejected at previous resistance, and then pulled back. Remember, news is good. Why the stock didn't continue? Because again, these lines can use as an indicator. Not all the time it act within that form, and in this time so far it has been precise with. So it pushed up, got rejected, came back down, found a new support. So it did not sold back off to previous support. It found a new support here, which is, it was previous high. Now it becomes a new support. So from here, I think MU might pass. With market trending on the upward side, MU will pass because earnings was good. The stock is going to push up above our 200-day moving average and then continues to climb. And sooner or later, this stock will be trading, before you know it, back above $157 a share. Let's give you one more example of why I use my lines as indicator how to buy and sell a stock. Because with these lines, guys, it can act as indicators for me where I buy and sell. So again, look at this is Nvidia. Look what happened. Previous support resistant, guys, came here, sold off, found support, pushed up again, got rejected. So now we're looking for, depends on what market is doing, and looking for a pullback on Nvidia, and then you get in, because any reaction with news or anything, stock pushed up, then correct itself, and once it correct itself, which is here at our 200-day moving average, then it continues to go higher. But we don't want to always see the same low, because double bottom is not always something you want to gravitate towards. So, but I'm just explaining and breaking down to you why I'm going to wait for supermicrocomputer to pull back before I go in for the long run. Because on news, the stock pushed up, got rejected at previous high on the 26th of September. It formed this high, got rejected, sold off, consolidate. We love to see consolidation, and then pushed up again, and now the stock got rejected again, and on its way down, I'm going to definitely buy some shares to short the stock, and when it's going back up, this is where I'm going to go long. But Nasdaq is not doing so well because of 10-year treasury yield. Nasdaq has been trading lower since yesterday. I have pointed this out in my group on my channel and say, hey guys, Nasdaq previous resistance, it become a huge barrier for Nasdaq, because the market is still not, with great news, the market is still not going forward. Why? Because 10-year treasury yield still continues to play a significant role in the market mover, because of the oil prices, what's going on in the Middle East, and 10-year treasury yield. You can check out my other videos. Once this is going up, guys, there's no way Nasdaq is going to continue to go higher, because this have to come down before Nasdaq can continue to climb. So that's something you want to look into, guys. All right. And Meta was trading significantly high, and I called this out yesterday in my video. I said Meta is trading higher, but guess what? It's going to pull right back. Why? Because the stock is just continuing to climb. There's not such a thing where a stock continue to climb. Nvidia is a perfect example. So on the pullback, definitely getting some Meta shares to go longer. I call it out and I said, don't be surprised in a few weeks if Meta is trading at $600. And today Meta was trading at $600 a share because I saw it based on how the stock was trading, guys. I saw it with the good news, with better than expected earnings. The stock continues to climb, and this is something you want to be into. So with earnings coming soon, Meta is going to blow through the water on the 30th of this month. Meta is going to kill it, I can tell you. And Supermicro Computer Meta is my next two big stock pick. So until then, guys, I'm asking you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Help me to grow this channel, all right? So please stay tuned for more and like and subscribe. Until then, see you. Stay green in the market.